Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickle without pickle powder. First, gather your fresh cucumbers, ensuring they are firm and blemish-free. Wash them thoroughly and slice them to your desired thickness, whether spears or rounds. Next, prepare your pickling liquid by combining vinegar, water, and a selection of spices. This simple approach ensures a natural and flavorful result, perfect for any meal. Let's get started on this easy guide. Now, let's create the perfect brine for your pickles. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with 2 cups of white vinegar. This 2-to-2 ratio provides a balanced base. Stir in 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. These enhance flavor and aid preservation. For aromatic depth, add pickling spices such as fresh dill sprigs, a few cloves of garlic, and a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Bring this mixture to a boil, then let it simmer briefly. With your brine ready, it's time to pack your pickles. Carefully arrange your sliced cucumbers into clean, sterilized glass jars, packing them as tightly as possible without crushing them. Next, pour the hot pickling brine over the cucumbers, ensuring they are fully submerged. Leave about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Gently tap the jars to release any trapped air bubbles, then securely seal them with airtight lids. Allow them to cool before refrigerating. Once your jars are sealed and cooled, refrigerate your homemade pickles for at least 24 hours. This chilling period allows the flavors to meld beautifully, resulting in a crisp and tangy treat. You can enjoy these delicious, natural pickles for up to 2 months when stored properly in the refrigerator. They are perfect as a snack or a side dish. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Happy pickling!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.